3 into bracket 2n plus 1 minus 4 into bracket 2n minus 1, and then 2 into bracket n plus 1 minus 2n. Now you need to know the logic in solving indices and logarithms. That will help you a lot in this regard. Now remember, in the law of indices, which we are going to apply here, we were told that if you have a value like this with a common base multiplying with another value like this, your result will be a into bracket 2 plus what? Plus 3. Now I also told you that if you have something like a raised to power 2 divided by what? A raised to power 4, it will be, your result will be equal to 2 minus what? 4. The power will be what? Negative. This is the first two laws of indices. Now we are going to apply that here so that we can make this solution easier for ourselves. Now you can make solving mathematics very easy for yourself depending on how you go about it. Everything is logic, and that is why we say mathematics is logical. It can be fun when you apply all the laws you know in solving mathematics. Now let's go in breaking down this. Now if we say we have this is exactly what you are given, and when you have this is exactly what you are given. Now to simplify this further, we can say this will be 3 multiplied by what? Generally this will give you what? 2n multiplied by what? By 2, right? And this will give you minus what? 4 into bracket 2n divided by what? By 2. Now this will be all divided by what? 2n multiplied by what? 2 minus what? 2n, right? Now having gotten this, all we need to do to simplify further, remember they said you should do what? You should simplify. Now having gotten this, all we need to do is, we have too much 2n's and 2n's too much. It's confusing. So if I want to solve this, I won't know how you want to solve it, but definitely you can learn from this. I want to make our 2n to be equal to what? X, so as to stop the confusion that has to do with 2n. Now if I do this, I'm going to get this value. This will now give me 3 into bracket what? X times what? Times 2 minus 4 into bracket what? X divided by what? Divided by 2. All divided by what? By x multiplied by 2 minus what? Minus x. Now you see, if you have this, it has make the question more simpler for you. Now you can simplify. Now that will now give us what? That will give us what? 3 into bracket what? 2x minus 4 into bracket what? X divided by 2. Now divided by what? Divided by 2x minus what? Minus x. So this will now give you what? This times this will now give you 6x minus this times this one, this will cut here to give you 2 minus 2x divided by what? 2x minus 2 will give you what? X. Now if we go about that, that will now give us 6x minus 2x will give us what? 4x divided by what? X. Now x will cut what? X. And what is remaining, we'll have our what? Our 4 as our final solution. Now you see how easy it is to solve this kind of question. Now you'll be given 40 seconds to solve these questions, and you can even solve in less than 40 seconds if you know the principles, if you know the rules you must follow to solve this question. Now I want you to practice this kind of question, because if you are taking JAMB, more like WAEC also bring out this kind of question, you are going to see them live in your objective questions. Now practice them and practice questions that are similar to this. Learn to use the rules and you'll be able to solve mathematics with fun. Remember, our aim is to help you solve mathematics with fun, so as to take your exams and then pass your exams, especially that of mathematics. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we want you to do that, and I will look forward to seeing you in our next video.